The year is 2024, and the world of cryptocurrency finds itself at a crossroads. Governments worldwide are stepping up, introducing comprehensive regulations to bring order to the crypto Wild West. These new rules aim to foster a more stable, transparent, and trustworthy crypto ecosystem. For investors, understanding these evolving regulations is essential. This guide breaks down the complexities of the 2024 regulatory landscape in key markets. We'll explore the potential impact on the crypto market and provide practical advice on navigating these changes successfully. In the United States, the Cryptocurrency Act of 2024 brought digital assets under the SEC and CFTC. Clearer definitions for securities versus commodities provided much-needed guidance for businesses and investors. The Act also introduced robust AML and KYC requirements, reinforcing security and compliance. Across the Atlantic, the EU rolled out the Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, MiCA. MiCA aims to harmonize crypto regulations across the 27 member states, creating a single market for digital assets. The regulation focuses on consumer protection, market integrity, and financial stability. In Asia, Singapore solidified its position as a crypto hub with its Progressive Payment Services Act. Japan refined its existing regulations, focusing on investor protection and market integrity, while China maintained its restrictive stance. The introduction of these new regulations sent ripples through the crypto market. There was an initial period of volatility as some investors opted to sell their holdings. However, this volatility was short-lived. The regulatory clarity instilled greater confidence in institutional investors. Major financial institutions, previously hesitant, now had the green light to explore this emerging asset class. This influx of institutional capital brought much-needed liquidity and stability to the market. The emphasis on consumer protection and market integrity fostered a more sustainable environment for long-term growth. With regulations in place to prevent fraud and manipulation, investors gained greater confidence in the crypto ecosystem. While regulatory changes may trigger short-term fluctuations, they ultimately paved the way for long-term stability and growth. Section 4. Expert Voices in the Cryptosphere. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, believes regulatory clarity is essential to unlock Bitcoin's full potential. Caitlin Long, founder of Custodia Bank, states that clear and consistent regulations are crucial for fostering innovation and protecting consumers. Long advocates for a regulatory framework that allows for innovation while mitigating risks. These expert opinions highlight that the crypto community welcomes well-crafted regulations. Regulations, when implemented effectively, can serve as a catalyst for mainstream adoption, paving the way for a future where cryptocurrencies play an integral role in the global financial system. Section 5. Navigating the Future and Investors' Compass. How can investors navigate this evolving regulatory landscape and position themselves for success in the crypto market? First and foremost, stay informed. Keep abreast of regulatory developments in key markets and understand how they might impact your investment strategy. Diversification remains a cornerstone of prudent investing, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Spread your investments across a variety of crypto assets with different use cases and risk profiles. Focus on projects and companies that prioritize regulatory compliance. Look for businesses actively engaging with regulators, obtaining necessary licenses, and implementing robust AML/KYC procedures. These companies are more likely to weather regulatory changes and thrive in the long run. Before investing in any crypto asset, thoroughly research the project, its team, its technology, and its regulatory compliance status. Section 6. The Unfolding Story of Crypto: A Call to Awareness. The year 2024 marks a pivotal chapter in the unfolding story of cryptocurrency. As regulations reshape the landscape, we stand on the brink of a new era for this transformative technology. This is a time for both caution and optimism, a time to embrace the opportunities presented by a more structured crypto ecosystem. By staying informed, diversifying our investments, and prioritizing due diligence, we can navigate this evolving landscape with confidence. Let us proceed with awareness, responsibility, and a shared vision for a more inclusive and innovative financial future.